Hello friends, welcome to Five Fresh channel. Today we make turkey dumpling. We add 1 cup green onion, this is kale with 2 cups. Look like this thing. Add 2 cups chopped kale. And mix well. The way I make a dumpling look like this. Have the turkey and the kale stuff in the center of the wrapper. Use the finger to brush water on the full side. Then we fold 1/3 of the wrapper and fold on this side. Use a fork to seal each end. Look like this. After 25 minutes, now let's look what we got. Here we go. Steamed turkey and a kale dumpling. Thank you for watching Five Fresh channel. Fresh your plate, fresh your house. See you next time.